We had spent time at Zion and it was go, 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 just trying to make the most of our time there. When we got to Ruby's, it was kind of like, hey, we're in a nice campground, we got full hookups, we got a pool, let's sleep in. It was actually quite cool, which was a nice change from the 103s, 104s from Zion. It was actually so cool, we ended up just pretty much in the hot tub the entire time. And some kind of quick showers came through too. So for a little bit there, we were actually kind of cold. The wind was blowing and a little bit of rain came through. And then some came back out and it was fine, but quite the change from just a day earlier. After the pool and being lazy, we said, you know, we need to get out and go look at something. So we drove back out on 12 and went to the Red Canyon Visitor Center. Not so used to really nice visitor centers in the National Forest area, but Red Canyon was a beautiful area and got some great information about the trails. Got a sneak peek at a paved trail that was right on the side of the road there and weaved through the woods. Definitely gonna come back and see that. Saw a really nice photography exhibit. Great work there. We got into Bryce just in time before the visitor center closed there. Yeah, kids had fun poking around the exhibits. We just picked up all sorts of Junior Ranger material and got ourselves together for another Junior Ranger adventure. I was really looking forward to Bryce. Playing in the fake hoodoos. Hopefully tomorrow we'll look at the real hoodoos. Okay, let's look at the tunnel. Look at that! Look, he's in there. It's a prairie dog. Over here playing with the prairie dog exhibit. So yeah, some of these national parks have a very up-to-date video, and some of them are, wow, at least 20 years old, 30 maybe. Look at you. Goes.
Bye bye. See you at the outside.
So apparently there's some kind of forest fire some distance away. I'm not sure exactly the status of that, but
they would tell us to evacuate if it was too close.
Makes for a very orange sunset kind of early. Let's go take a picture.
That sign.
We also got to meet a very interesting couple from Spain traveling around. I think they got here a couple months ago via Mexico, bought a VW van, outfitted it themselves. Really cool story. You guys, hope you're watching this. Hope you had a great trip. Hope you're able to get back to America sometime soon and travel some more. Now we gotta get some more groceries and a dinner run. Let's see what Ruby's has. What do you think of that train there, buddy? You like the train?
Yeah.
Yeah. Quite the to-do going on here with Ruby's and the inn and the campground and the old Bryce town Across the street looks like tourist trap stuff going on. We're gonna try to get ourselves something to eat, some dinner, and catch you tomorrow.
Not sweet tea in Utah, not South Carolina. Otherwise known as tea, there's no choice. Sweetener, you must put